Sheila Klingon has sent us her recipe for pike pie. And pie really doesn't describe it. It's more like a quiche when it all comes out. And there's pike.
Oh, yeah, pike. That doesn't really... That's walleye, Kathy Beitler.
It is.
Walleye.
And it's a very good substitute for this recipe. And just going to put your pats of butter on and put it in the oven because you do want your fish cooked thoroughly here.
How long do you cook it when you put it in the oven like
20,
that?
25 minutes. Now, if you had leftover fish, it'd be perfect to use in this recipe. And then you can make a batter out of Bisquick and milk and seasoned pepper. And this is a regular quiche batter. And it just goes through, and after it's in all the fish and everything, just kind of mixes it up and holds it all together. And you want to mix that thoroughly with the mixer and then just set it aside while you add your other ingredients. You're going to add onions to the fish. Now, here's your fish all flaked and in the pie plate.
It's a good idea to flake it like that because all the bones will be going. You can pick those out for people who are concerned about that.
And then add broccoli, and you could use fresh this time, and you'd be perfect. And your dollops of cheese whiz. And then your batter goes on top, and just bake it in the oven. And
Sounds
it just kind of
pretty
mixes
tasty.
all through.
So you pour that on the top, and how long does it stay in the oven?
About a half hour.
And then it comes out like pie.
Like a quiche.
I wonder who that would appeal to. If we told a Mr. Garner that we're having pie,
It's perfect. Second back to Streisand, I can figure to go pike fishing. You know, pike's been my favorite fish to catch for years. This makes it all worthwhile when you can eat it like this. This is probably the best pike recipe that I've ever tasted.
Well, now I have a question though.
What?
Kath said that she got walleye pike for this. She got that terminology,
Walleye
which
instead
means
of-
it's walleye instead of pike.
Pike.
That may be the reason why this is the best pike I've ever eaten. No, pike is good. I think pike's as good as walleye anytime
If it
anyway.
comes from the cold, clear waters. But man, this recipe on its own, I think with about any kind of fish.
Oh, yeah.
This is
Perch,
the
salmon,
onions and-
anything.
Veggies, and don't equate it with quiche. This is better than any quiche.
If that